the elevator tour at the supermarket, which is a -5 floor slope. This is a 1988 ThyssenKrupp elevator. So down to -5. It has cancel button, bell button, fan button, open, close button. I know you guys, it has been a while since you haven't heard my voice. So this is a happy 130 subscribers. Okay. So these are the all. Oh, a quick one. Well, that wasn't an accident at all. So here we are at -5. Close. Oh my god, close, close. Oh, immediate door close. Why is it moving? It goes really slow, yeah. Oh, this is a huge waste of time. It goes fast. I like this. This elevator, I will give him a rating of 7 out of 10. That's all the underground parkings. 1. I think it skips 0. And now this is a 1967 Deve elevator at the McDonald's restaurant. I know this is a really weird elevator. Down to 0. It doesn't go that slow like that Thyssen elevator. Okay, up to 2. Close the doors. Is the door closed? And now we're gonna go up. Fast for a Deve, but the elevator shakes a little. And that is how you make the tutorial elevator. This is called elevator panel simulator, and it's so easy to use it. And now let's go to the wax lift. This is not the wax lift, it is just an example. Here we have the highest elevator until the hotel. 13 is stuck, 12 is stuck, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, until 5th floor. Whoa! Death trap. Oh my god, I wanna get off this crappy thing. Here we have an underground Kone M series. And now up to -5. Close the door. Close the door. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This elevator used to be a 1985 Stunner. This used to be cooler than the other one. I also really like the Kone M series. And now to the next lift. Okay, so I found this really weird service lift. It's a 1974 Coney elevator that up to 13. This building has a 13th floor. It's a freight elevator. It shakes a little, but I'll give this elevator a rating of 5 out of 10. Not that crappy death trap that went all the way to 15 when all the floors were stuck and locked. Okay, so here we are 13. Warning, these are not real numbering. The 8th floor is actually the ground floor. The 11th floor is the 9th floor is actually the first floor. The 10th floor is actually the second floor. The 3rd floor is actually the 11th floor. The 4th floor is actually the 12th floor. The 13th floor is actually the 5th floor. So that's the numbering. Oh my gosh, I just had a blackout. Oh, that was the first second. Okay, so this is the elevator at the Starbucks cafe in the shopping center. Okay, so this is an original 1995 Otis elevator. Before, it used to be an old generic elevator. So luckily now it's modernized. -1. Oh, -1 is locked. So down to 1. I wonder what is on -1. Ah, it's underground parking. Okay, so down to the next Swift. This is the old another Deve elevator at the utility shop. Down to 1, close the doors. This is hydraulic elevator, if you don't know, guys. I like this elevator. Okay, up to 2, close the door. A little bit of a smoke. I can see the why is there a gap in the doors? Whoa, look at these buttons. Okay, so the lowest floor is 5 and the highest floor is 30. Okay, so up to 30, walked 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Only 8 does work. 8 this work it's pretty slow for from a 5th to a 30th floor. Which floor are you going, sir? I was going 21. No, I don't want to go to 30. And this is the elevator at HIM. So this is also not real numbering. The 4th floor is actually the ground floor. The 5th floor, no, the 4th floor is actually the basement. The 5th floor is actually the ground floor. And the 6th floor is actually the 1st floor. Right now, I'm on the secret level on the 8th floor, which is currently not existing. It is just pure shaft. A lot of shaft. Okay, so down to 4. Close. This is 2015 Tyson over there, modded by Otis in 2020. Pretty cool. Okay, so down to the next Swift. And this one's super fake numbering. This is the elevators at the mini Hilton. This is actually Otis 2000 VF. Okay, so 15 the ground floor, 16 the first floor, 17 the second, 18 the third, 19 the fourth, 20 the fifth, and 21 the sixth. 21 walked, 20 walked, 19 walked, 18 walked, 17 walked, 17 walked. So 17 is the pool. And the rest of the floor are walked because they are rooms and don't want to annoy the neighbors. Okay, so down to the next Swift. So there is not only a mini Hilton, so there is a mini Holiday Inn. 22 is the ground floor, 23 is the first floor, 24 is the second floor, 25 is the third floor, 26 is the fourth floor, 27 is the fifth floor, 28 is the sixth floor, 29 is the seventh floor, and 30 is 8. 22 to 30. It reminds me a little bit of the walk store, if you guys remember. Okay, so 30 walk, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Actually, I'm on walk the floor right now. So down to 22. Close doors because someone catch me. Oh my god, there was a security guard out there. Okay, I'll give this elevator a 9 out of 10. These are Otis, not luxury, modern in 2021. Before this used to be a Keighley lift. I'm not sure if it's just a Keighley or an I or an ALS, or it also could be a hydraulic power elevator. No, I forgot. A Mitsubishi elevator. Okay, so down to the next lift. Whoops, another blackout. The elevators get blackouts really soon. This is the hydraulic elevator. It's an Otis. It's an Otis. It started to be a generic elevator, which is unfortunately modded by Otis. Up to 19 at the candy shop. I give this elevator a rating of 10 out of 10 because it is in really good condition, not that crappy death trap one. Okay, so that's it. Have a great day, guys. See you later. Happy 130 subs. Bing, bing.